How to enable and use price alert in Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the ways to enable and use price alert on Coinbase. So to enable price alert in Coinbase, what you can do is you can simply use your mobile device in order to enable notification. For that, you can long press on your Coinbase application, and then you can go ahead and tap on the app info icon. Here you could go to notification and make sure to enable or allow the notification, and whenever you receive notification you can see it right on the top or on the pop-ups itself, and that is one way to enable the price alert in Coinbase. However, you could also do it from the app itself. So for that, log in into your account, and when you're logged in, go to the settings from the top left hand side corner, and then you need to go to notification, and under notification you'll be able to see the list of options or criteria mentioned. You could go ahead and set a notification for a specific category, and from the price alert screen you can select to have alert pushed to your phone or only alert within the app itself. So that is how you can set or enable price alert on Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.